All right, this is one of my favorite reviews. This is for Ghost chocolate cereal milk vegan protein powder. And it's basically just like, dude, it has a super good profile. Like, it's pretty much all about protein. There's not much fat and there's not much carbs. It's pretty much all about protein. Here's the crazy thing about it: whether you are vegan or not, this protein is going to be one of the best you've ever had. But I will say this: if you are vegan, this is the best vegan protein powder that exists that I am aware of right now. I've been vegan for 14 years now, and literally every other thing I've tried, I've had to try to convince myself how good it is. When the reality is the flavor's not really that great and it's super chalky and it doesn't mix well. Ghost figured it out. This protein powder is the best tasting, and it actually tastes like dessert. Like, it's something I look forward to at the end of my workout. So when I'm getting to the end, my mouth starts to water thinking about how I'm about to have 2 scoops. And all you have to do is put 2 scoops in water and shake it up. There's no chalkiness, there's no chunkiness. It just mixes super well. One of the other cool things about them, I already did a failed take, so I can't show you the actual unveiling. But here, let me show you the inside of it. So what you do typically is you rip that off. The cool thing is you don't have to dig for that scooper. The scooper is sitting there on the outside. It's just one of the things I love about this brand. Give this a shot. It's probably going to be your go-to protein powder, whether you're vegan or not, from now on.